The 1990 Elizabeth II 5-pence coin from the United Kingdom is a circulating coin and is generally not considered rare or valuable. These coins are typically made of copper nickel and are part of regular currency circulation. The obverse, front, of the coin features a portrait of Queen Elizabeth II, while the reverse, back, side depicts a crown thistle, which is the national emblem of Scotland. The denomination, 5 pence, is also inscribed on the reverse. As for the value, the 1995 pence coin is not typically sought after by collectors for its numismatic value. Its worth is primarily based on its face value unless it is part of a specific collection or set. If you have a coin in mint condition or with a unique characteristic, it might have a slightly higher value to collectors, but it's generally not considered a high-value coin. If you're interested in the history of the coin or its design details, I can provide more information in that regard. However, if you're looking for information on the specific value of your coin, I recommend checking with a reputable coin dealer or numismatist, as the value can vary based on factors like condition and rarity.